Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. When the summer evenings call for a unique craving, try these addictive yet easy to make crispy potato cheese shorts that are featured in this video. In a mixer grinder jar, tear 3 bread slices into bite-sized pieces and pulse them to a crumbly texture like so. Do try this recipe in your kitchen and share your experiences in the comment section below. Next, take 3 potatoes that are boiled and mashed in a large mixing bowl, the bread crumbs, half an onion that's finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green capsicum, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped carrot, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves, 2 green chilies that are finely chopped, half a cup of cheese cubes, half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of red chilli flakes and 1 tablespoon of piri piri masala. Give them all a good mix until they are well incorporated and come together. I've taken cheddar cheese for this recipe. You can also use mozzarella cheese. Trust me, the cheese is the real game changer in this dish. Do follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Take some bread crumbs in a small mixing bowl and keep them aside. Now, take a golf ball sized potato mixture and roll it firmly into an oblong shape without any cracks like so. Now roll it in the breadcrumbs like so. You can prepare this ahead of time and refrigerate it. Make sure to fry them right before serving. Transfer it onto a dry plate. Repeat the process with the rest of the potato mixture as well. Next, dip 1 potato short at a time into a medium hot oil. Deep fry them on a medium flame until they turn golden on all sides. Gently roll the shots so that they turn golden evenly. You can also shallow fry or bake it if you want to. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Once they are nice and done, remove 1 shot at a time, drain the excess oil and transfer to a plate lined with tissue paper. This will make a wonderful party snack loved by both kids and adults alike. You can serve this hot with tomato ketchup or mayonnaise. If you're new to my channel, do hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos in the channel. I'll meet you with yet another delicious recipe next week. Until then, this is Jeba signing off. Bye bye.